and welcome back to our channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to talk and do magic, literally. You know, a lot of you will probably would have heard me referring to crushed ice crystals as magic so many times, and truly this is magic. But originally it comes only in clear, color, and it's beautiful. However, that wasn't really good enough for me, so I've decided, how can I change the color? I've decided to experiment, and actually we all have these fabulous products at home. Well, especially one and another one, that a lot of you will know what I'm talking about again. And both of these products come from Viva Decor. Yes. Now, one of these products is Inka Gold Wax, and the second product is Mirror Spray. Oh yes, these two products are fabulous for so many different things. If you want to see how you can use the Inka Gold Waxes on different things, and most importantly, how to turn them into your sprays, then please go and visit my other video on hints and tips on Inka Gold. There are two videos there. There is another video on Mirror Spray as well, because that product actually is for your glass mirrors, that kind of thing. But because the two of these products are fabulous, truly, I'm going to actually change this magic into the color I want. Right, that is fabulous. So some of you probably would have seen my quick video tutorial on our Facebook. Yes, I did it about 4-5 months ago. But if you haven't, and you're just new to our channel, then thank you for stopping by. It's really, really good to have you here. And if you've seen it before, then of course, probably it's not this video, obviously you would have seen before. So obviously, I hope you will enjoy it anyway. So what you need is, number one, this crushed ice crystal, Inka Gold Waxes in spray, and Mirror Spray. And Mirror Spray, you have to transfer it from the actual pot into the bottle. You can actually see that on my other video tutorial as well. But when you're transferring it, you obviously have to transfer it with the ball bearing as well. Very important. And one other thing you need is actually two ceramic plates, or one, but they have to be ceramic, and I will show you why. Good pair of tweezers, and of course your heat gun. That's it, really. And of course, plenty pots to put your magic colors into after you've actually created them. So let me just show you this beautiful amethyst on a white. This is as magical as it gets. Isn't this fabulous? When you're actually making your own project and you really want just a little bit of turquoise, just a little bit of blue, just a little bit of any color, you can create it so quickly by yourself at home for what you need, just as much as you need. And that is that. Now, when I say to you magic, and that's obviously crushed ice, there is one other product which you could easily do exactly the same technique, and that is the microbeads. Again, on our website, the Reflex Pearl Lens, they are microbeads, and they're also from Viva, fabulous. Now, so when I was experimenting, and I was obviously initially worried whether they're going to melt or not, well, that's the thing, because crushed ice crystals and microbeads, they do not melt. They're basically glass. So you can actually put as much heat as you like, and it will be absolutely fine. I promise you that. So finally, just finally, to show you this little project, I've got loads of other, obviously, projects that you can see on our website or on our Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, where you could see the color of the magic changed by using these two products that I've mentioned, Inka Gold Waxes as a spray or Mirror Spray. But this is the beautiful, beautiful aqua here. And now onto the actual demo. Right, so what I'm going to show you two of these products, microbeads and crushed ice. And what you need okay, is a little bit of crushed ice crystal in your bowl, just as much as you need for your particular project. And then obviously, once you have a wax, obviously in your bottle as a Inka Gold spray, all you need to do is just shake it really well. But as I mentioned earlier, you could see my video tutorial how to do it all. Okay, and all I'm doing now, it's actually mixing it, a bit like cooking, really. So if you want a little bit darker, you can have a little bit darker look. Now, this spray, this color, can actually dry naturally. You don't have to have a heat gun with the Inka Gold waxes. But of course, sometimes we are all in a hurry and we want to make quick effect very quickly for what we need right now. So what do? You then take your heat gun and you dry it. Okay, just scoop it up if you had a spoon and you are good to go. Just make sure it's all dry and you are good to go. You're applying it literally onto your projects just like any the clear crushed ice, and that's one done. So you can see there you've got a crushed ice in aqua, so that's going to be topping up this pot. Obviously you've got lilacs here, you've got greens, you obviously have a silver that I used on my other video as well. Okay, so you could do absolutely any color you want, but the silver one was done slightly differently. So the silver obviously was done using the mirror spray. Okay, and for this demo I'm going to use actually microbeads, exactly the same principle. They're two different products, yet give us this most amazing finish. So this is my silver microbeads. Isn't this beautiful? But don't forget, your microbeads can equally be colored with the Inka Gold waxes. And that's my beautiful midnight blue, cobalt blue. Okay, so what we're going to do, sprinkle a little bit of this here. Be careful, the bowl gets very hot, especially the more you heat up. And again, before you spray it, make sure you shake it really well. You can see the silver color is coming here. And it will actually change. You will see silver, but obviously you won't have a metallic. The reason why is because Inka mirror spray will have to be cooked before it becomes this beautiful metallic. So right now it's just silver. All I am doing is mixing it a little bit. Okay, so making sure that all my clear ones are covered properly. There you go. I think that's good. And now we're going to cook it. And that is your silver microbeads. Isn't this beautiful? So we've got silver microbeads, but if we wanted to change it into pink, lilac, obviously you go for the Inka Gold waxes. Well, that was a very short video, okay, but very practical, very useful, and I hope you will agree with me. So, well, why not, okay, create your own colors using the magic crushed ice crystal and microbeads. Anyway, until next time, thank you for watching and see you again. Bye-bye.